Hi everyone, so today we are going to be making DIY advent calendars. For our first advent calendar, all you'll need is a paper bag, glue, tape, scissors, and string, and then things to stuff your bag, such as candies or little notes. And then you'll also need things to decorate your bag, which can be markers, string, tape, paper, pom-poms, stickers, and pipe cleaners. To begin, cut your bag to the desired size and then start decorating. Make sure that you have 24 bags that are numbered 1 through 24. You can make all your bags the same, or if you want to mix them up, you can do different designs. So here I'm using a felt sticker to number this bag. Then once you have completed decorating all 24 bags, you can hang your string, and then using clothespins, you can hang them on your string. You can hang your bags in order, or if you want to mix it up, you can have them in a random order, which makes it more difficult each day to find. And then once you have hung all your bags, you can begin filling them with your gifts or goodies. For our second advent calendar, you will need 24 cups, tape, tissue paper, scissors, a marker, things to stuff your cups with, and then you will also need a hot glue gun and a Bristol board. To begin, line all your cups up on your Bristol board in your desired shape, and then hot glue gun those cups down to your board. We've decided to go with a tree decoration, so if you're interested in doing the same, you can follow our design. And then once you are done gluing your cups down, you can fill them with any gifts or candies that you would like. Afterwards, take your square pieces of tissue paper and tape them down. Once you have finished covering all 24, you can use a black marker to write the numbers 1 through 24 on all of your cups. Once you've completed that, it is ready to be hung up on the wall. Then each day you can punch your cup to grab your gift. Thanks for watching.